India Exim Bank Report, India Top Defence Exporter in Africa. The report titled, Reinvigorating India's Economic Engagements with Southern Africa, was released on November 1 by the India Exim Bank at the event, CII Exim Bank Regional Conclave on India-Southern Africa Growth Partnership, held in Johannesburg. What are the key findings of the report? India has emerged as the top defence exporter to Africa. Mauritius, Mozambique and Seychelles are the top importers of made-in-India arms between 2017 and 2021. The 9 IOLC are Comoros, Kenya, Madagascar, Mauritius, Mozambique, Seychelles, Somalia, South Africa, and Tanzania. Currently, Indian military vehicle manufacturers like Tata Motors and Ashok Leyland are already playing a major role in the defence export to Africa. It also recommended accelerating India's defence export target of $5 billion by 2025. The report highlighted